Okay, we are going to have a look at how we're going to position integers on a number line. So remembering that we can have positive and negative integers, okay? There's two different ways of doing this, so I will show you both and you can use whatever is best for you. So the first way to do it would be, and excuse my recording today, I'm using some different equipment, so hopefully it works okay. The first way you could do it, and it's probably the way that as year 7s you are automatically going to do it, is you can go, okay, look at these numbers. I've got 0, 4, 8, 2, and -3. Ah, well, 0 is always in the middle. 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, so I've done that one, I've done that one. Then 8, 5, 6, 7. Oops, I don't quite have enough room, so I'll just make myself an 8 there. So I've done that one. 2, so there's back at my 0, then I've got 1, 2. Now -3, so remembering that 3 goes in the other direction. Negative goes in the other direction, right? So we're starting at 0, but this time we're going -1, -2, -3, and popping our -3 on there. Okay, that's a perfectly acceptable way of doing it. Another way you could do it, which might be a little bit tidier and easier, is this. What you can do is pop these into order first. So pop them into ascending order, so from the smallest to the biggest. All right, so our smallest is always going to have to be a negative if there's a negative there. So we're going to go -3. Then our next one would be 0. Then we'd have 2. Then we'd have 4. And then we'd have 8. So now what we actually know is that our number line needs to be able to reach up to 8, which that's what happened, we ran out of room here. So now we know it has to reach up to 8 and go down to -3. So if you wanted to, you could quickly draw up another number line. But this time you're like, okay, well, I know that this has to be 8. My number line does not go, oh, I just realized you can't see what I'm talking about. There we go. So it has to be 8 because it does not go any higher. All right, so now we're going to count back. So if we're saying 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, okay, there's 4. 3, 2, there's 2. 1, 0, there's 0. -1, -2, -3, there's -3. All right, so again, we've done exactly the same thing, just managed to make it look a little bit tidier. Okay, so that is how we position integers on the number line.